start. So the fourth point is incorporate stretching in your daily routine. You know what they say, sitting is the new smoking, which means if you are sitting for a long period of time, then it is as bad as smoking. So let's start. So whenever you get time in between your classes for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I get 20 minutes, then just stand no matter how much time is there for you, how much time is left. So you can just stand on that place and do this exercise. So exercise number 1 is neck rotation. So if we will rotate our neck upward and then downward and also diagonally, anti-clockwise and then clockwise. So the second is eyeball rotation. We should rotate our eyes only 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise, and then we will close our eyes for 2 minutes. The third exercise is shoulder rotation. In this, we'll rotate our shoulders 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Because when we sit, then the most stress accumulates in the neck and shoulders, which start paining very fast. So the next exercise is stand on your place and then just start jogging. Whenever you do this exercise, you'll wear your shoes and then do it. The next exercise is feet rotation. By doing this, we sit for a very long period of time. Okay? So our feet get very tired. So make sure that you do this exercise also, but only 5 times or 10 times clockwise and 5 or 10 times anti-clockwise. And whenever you are sitting on a chair for longer period of time, then make sure that you cross your legs and then sit. Because we keep our legs hanging in the air for a very long period of time, then it is advisable that you cross your legs and then sit on a chair. Now let's move on to the next hack, and that is blink more often. Means when we stare at the screen continuously, then for a long period of time, then our eyes get very tired or dried or watery, and also some people get red eyes. So if you also want to solve this problem, then after every 20 minutes, make sure that you blink your eyes, or you can also close your eyes for at least 20 seconds. Let's move on to the final hack of today, and that is invest in good anti-glare specs. Either you should buy a Blu-ray specs, but if you think that they are very expensive and they are not affordable, so you can go ahead and buy a anti-glare specs. They are good also.